Liam was known throughout the town for one thing: he never broke a promise. If he said he would do something, he would do it, no matter how hard. Whether it was helping a friend fix a roof, watching a neighbor's dog, or lending a hand with a late-night emergency, Liam was always there. Everyone trusted him. One day, Liam made a promise to his younger sister, Emma. She had always wanted to see the ocean, but they lived far from the coast. So, Liam promised her, "This Saturday, we'll go. I'll take you to see the ocean. Nothing will stop me." Emma was overjoyed and spent the whole week talking about the trip. She packed her bag, filled it with snacks, and even bought a little toy boat to float in the sea. Liam smiled every time he saw her excitement. But the night before the trip, something strange happened. Liam got a phone call from an old friend, Ben, who had disappeared from town years ago. "I need your help, Liam," Ben's voice was shaky. "I'm in trouble. I can't explain over the phone, but if you don't come to the old train station now, it might be too late." Liam was torn. He had made a promise to Emma. But Ben sounded desperate. Maybe it was an emergency. "I'll be back in time for the trip," Liam told himself as he rushed out the door. When he arrived at the old train station, there was no sign of Ben. Only shadows and the cold night air. Liam waited, worried. Hours passed. No one came. His phone had no signal. Suddenly, he heard footsteps behind him. He turned to see a man dressed in a dark coat. It wasn't Ben. "Who are you?" Liam asked, his voice tense. "Ben's fine. He's not in trouble," the man said with a smirk. "But you are. You see, Ben owed me something, and now, since he couldn't pay, he offered you instead." Liam's heart raced. This was a trap. The man stepped closer, but Liam didn't wait to find out what he wanted. He ran, faster than he ever had before, through the dark streets, dodging corners and alleys until he finally found his way back home, safe but exhausted. By the time Liam got home, it was dawn. He had missed his promise to Emma. She stood by the door, holding her small bag and the toy boat. Her eyes were filled with disappointment, the kind that no words could fix. "I'm sorry, Emma," Liam said, guilt washing over him. She nodded quietly and turned away, but Liam knew he had broken something far more valuable than his streak of promises. And the worst part? He wasn't even sure what kind of trouble was still waiting for him.